Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to buy meme coins on Solana. First up, we're going to open our browser and go to dexscreener.com or dextools.io. But in this sample, I'm going to use this website dexscreener.com to actually find a contract address we might want to buy. You can also find contract addresses on Twitter or Telegram, but I'm going to use this website as an example. So in this example, I'm going to select this coin called the Blue Dog from here. And then I'm going to grab the contract address. To do that, scroll down until you find the contract address right here, which you can copy. So if you're wondering what contract address is, it's basically a string of letters and numbers which represent a coin so you can easily find them even though the same coin. So it's a unique string of letters so you can easily find coins. Now once we copy the contract address, now we're going to open the Phantom app. You can download and install the Phantom app for free on Google Play Store if you're using Android phone or App Store if you're using iOS device. Once you install this app, you can then sign up for a wallet account in less than a minute. Now, you need to send some Solana to this account, and you can send Solana over Binance or Bybit or any wallet. So, for example, we have here some Solana over your wallet, and you have the contract address that you have copied that you want to buy. Then we have to tap on the world icon right here at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. This little world icon. Then we're going to the website, which is radium.io, in order to buy these coins. And then tap on search at the bottom right hand corner. Then this is where the coins are listed, and this is the only way here to buy them. So click on launch app, then read the disclaimer and check the box that says I have read, understand, and accept these terms. And then tap on agree and continue. And then you will find this dashboard as you can see on your screen. So here we can actually swap coins. We're going to swap Solana for the contract address that we have copied. So click on the Solana, then paste the contract address at the search box at the top. So here you have to wait as the website is a bit logging, and if it's not responding, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Now once you tap on that Solana, then basically paste the contract address right there. So paste that contract address at the search box right there at the top. So tap and hold so you can paste the address. So for example here, so tap on paste and here it is. Then you can see the coin pops up on your screen. Just click to confirm. Now to swap Solana for this coin, you can just type here how many Solana you want to buy. For example, here I just want to type 0.1. So as you can see here, I just type 0.1. And then the next step here, you just need to wait for a few seconds. And then you just need to tap on the swap. Then it will take you 5 to 10 seconds to convert Solana to this coin. Once done, if you go back to Phantom main page, you'll be able to see them in your wallet. And then we can buy meme coins over Solana. So that's it. That's how you basically buy meme coins on Solana. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.